TikTok is the fastest growing social network. It has gone from being exclusively for music and a very young audience to a platform with more than 1 billion users worldwide, with content of all types and topics and a very diverse audience. Most companies already have an account on TikTok, but many are not taking full advantage of it. In this video, we'll look at how to market and advertise on TikTok. I'll tell you about some organic, no-cost options, as well as explain its advertising platform, which is becoming more robust and efficient. So let's jump right in. We can classify digital marketing into two main groups: organic actions, which would be the videos you publish at no cost, and paid actions, such as advertisements or brand deals. Depending on your budget, you can adapt your marketing plan to your needs. Let's get into each group in detail. Let's start with taking a look at some organic actions. The first step is to define your goals. For instance, what you want to achieve with your TikTok account. Maybe you want to reach a more specific audience, show the brand values, or make the brand more human. Don't stop at simple metrics like number of views. Instead, look for ways to link your TikTok presence to your business goals. We have a whole video dedicated to social media marketing for beginners, and we'll leave it in the description of this video, or you can watch it here. Create a business account. Business accounts are public profiles that allow brands and businesses to use TikTok's marketing tools. Anyone whose primary purpose on TikTok is to promote their business, whether it's a product or a service, should use a business account. They give you access to features such as the Business Center with specific statistics and support, the option to add an email address to your TikTok profile, and access to a library of business-friendly sounds. To switch to a business account, click Profile at the bottom, click the menu button at the top, then Settings and Privacy, Manage Account, switch to business account, and then follow the steps to finish. Interact with your followers. The way to increase your visibility on TikTok is to build a community. Don't just use it to show your product. Take the time to ask your followers interesting questions, respond to their comments, maybe even create new content based on their input, go live with them, and much more. Not only will you be interacting with your future customers, but you will also build loyalty with your existing customers, and they will recommend you if you listen to their suggestions and comments. Optimize your profile. Your account name is crucial for SEO and brand identity. For a business account, add your name and the subject of your content. For example, Sally, English teacher. The next step is the description or your biography. It highlights how your product or service or content will benefit others. For example, a bio that says, "We help you learn English for free." It is important to include a call to action such as "Make an appointment now," followed by a link. You should also have a recognizable avatar which does not contain too much information but is visually striking and memorable. Anchor or pin featured videos. You can pin videos to the top of your profile. Once you start posting content, it is highly recommended that you pin the videos that best represent your brand or even the ones that have had the best reception among your audience. You can choose up to 3 videos to pin, and you can change them at any time. This way, if someone comes to your profile, they'll have a better idea of your content. Think of it as a best hits or a business card for your potential customers. Use customized covers. Covers are the static images that users see on your profile before entering a video. Use them to indicate the content of each video and make navigation easier. Covers have to be a frame of the video, unlike other platforms such as YouTube or Instagram that allow you to upload an image. You will have to choose a frame, but you can then add text stickers to highlight a title. Or if you prefer, you can add a very short frame at the beginning of the video with a more attractive image and then choose that one. The important thing is that these covers are eye-catching, clear, and identifiable with your brand. Create videos that engage. Your TikTok content will live or die depending on whether you manage to capture your audience attention or not. So here are just a few tips to help you do just that. First of all, use the first 3 seconds to highlight what's most important and grab the viewer's attention. You can use large text, an impactful sound, or a transition with movement. Include subtitles in your videos to make the content accessible and understandable. Use trending formats or challenges, as well as audio or filters that are gaining popularity. Finally, keep in mind that TikTok prioritizes videos with people in them, so we advise using people in videos as a creative resource. Within the content strategy, we also recommend including videos that present personal experiences related to your business, including the audience in the process and your day-to-day. Don't forget about hashtags. Remember that hashtags are for users to discover your account, so they need to be relevant and specific. When someone searches for a hashtag or clicks on it, they will be shown a feed of all the videos that use that hashtag, so it can be a very interesting opportunity. Use TikTok's trend discovery tool to see the most popular and trending hashtags. You can also find hashtags by searching for a concept related to your niche, and the app will suggest popular hashtags. We recommend adding between 3 and 6, although you can include up to 30. Learn from your content and be consistent. Once you have your company profile, you can use the analytics tool from the Creator Tools menu. There you will be able to see how your profile has been performing over the last few months. Look at the content that has given you the best results, analyze why, and apply it to your future videos. Keep in mind that to have a successful TikTok strategy, you will need to post a lot of content, especially at the beginning when you don't yet know what will resonate with your audience. Be consistent with posting, experiment, and learn from it. Live streams. Broadcasting live on social networks is already a part of the usual dynamics of these platforms, and TikTok is no exception. Through the TikTok Live feature, you can engage live with your audience and see the comments they make in real time. On one hand, this is a great way to give your TikTok marketing and advertising strategy a fresher and more spontaneous feel, something that will help you create a closer relationship with your community. On the other hand, thanks to this closeness, your ability to build audience loyalty will increase as well as your reputation. If you want to live stream on TikTok, you must be over 16 years old and have more than 1,000 followers. If you are 18 or older, you can also earn free gifts while you're live. The live gifting feature allows fans to support their favorite creators by sending them virtual gifts while the creator is presenting their live stream. These gifts can then be exchanged for real funds. TikTok Carousel. The slideshow-based video format similar to Instagram's Carousel provides a versatile platform for detailed explanations of various topics. Although it does not provide the same creative freedom as videos, its use has diversified with different types of content such as reviews or storytime. Unlike other formats, these videos require more time to consume as they tend to combine text and images to convey information effectively. We advise using this type of content on subjects that benefit from a more detailed explanation through text. Now let's move on to the advertising part of TikTok. TikTok has an advertising platform with many different types of ads, including interactive formats that are unique to this network. To create your first advertising campaign on TikTok, you must visit the TikTok for Business page and click on the Create an Ad button. From there, you can open your account and create your first ad campaign. Let's review the different types of ads you can run on TikTok. 1. In-feed ads. In-feed ads are shown in the For You feed of potential customers and can last up to 60 seconds, although we recommend keeping them shorter, between 9 and 15 seconds. The format is similar to Instagram stories and they offer a wide range of creative possibilities. 2. TopView. TopView ads are even more impactful than brand takeovers as they take up the entire screen and can last up to 60 seconds. They are shown to users as soon as they open the application. 3. Collaborations with creators. You can work with TikTok creators to build authentic content and then push the best performing organic pieces as ads to generate more impressions. You can use TikTok's Creator Marketplace, a site specifically designed to help brands find popular influencers on TikTok to partner with and promote links to the shop or their products. 4. Branded effect. Branded effect ads offer brands the ability to create filters, stickers, effects, or lenses for users to use in their own content, creating an immersive and interactive experience. They are ideal for encouraging engagement and user-created content. They can be used on their own or integrated with other formats and types of campaigns, such as hashtag challenges. 5. Spark ads. This type of campaign allows you to promote videos of yourself, creators, or that mention your brand. Unlike in-feed ads, these are linked to your organic profile, and if users click on your avatar, they will be taken to it, whereas in-feed ads lead to a landing page as they're more targeted towards recruitment. 6. Video shopping ads. The video shopping ads feature allows people to shop from your TikTok in-feed video ads. When people view your video shopping ad on TikTok, they can view the products in your TikTok shop by clicking on the anchor link or product card and purchasing them directly from your shop. Just like on Instagram, if you want to start with a more basic but easy alternative, you can choose a video you have already published on your profile and click on Promote. With very few steps, you'll be able to choose the general objective of your campaign and activate it. It's not the most optimized way of starting a campaign, and you won't always have as much oversight as normal, but it can be a good starting point. Now that we have seen all that you can do with TikTok in terms of marketing and advertising, we want to emphasize that you don't have to choose between organic and paid. Both strategies can be very beneficial for your business and have different objectives, so you can combine both of them. If you're ready to get down to work, we recommend this video where we will explain how to monetize TikTok, or this one where we analyze the social media trends for this year. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.